Hello students, today we are going to learn about an Italian stationery company, Omas. Let us know this company in a much better way. Omas is an Italian manufacturer of writing instruments, fountain pens, ink and related luxury goods, founded in 1925. Their products are in the upper price range of writing instruments and are still manufactured in their factory located in Bologna, Italy. Omas stands for Officina Meccanica Armando Simoni. The company was founded by Armando Simoni, who also designed the tool and equipment needed to manufacture the Omas line of pens. Omas manufactures the variety of pens, the top line being the Faceted Arte Italiana range, as well Omas manufactures a variety of pens, the top line being the Faceted Arte Italiana range, as well as a variety of limited edition pens, including the Doctor's pen. The largest size pen currently manufactured as a non-limited edition is the Paragon, the second largest being the Milord. The Arte Italiana range was updated in 2005, possibly at request that the Paragon was too small. The Milord model became the size of the pre-2000 Paragon model. Omas continues to release limited editions based on their earlier style pens. Omas celebrates an 80 years experience of the fine writing with the popular vintage Arte Italiana. First introduced in 1931, the limited collection is a redesign of the 1991. Paragon is in royal blue celluloid and has a production of 40 pens with high-tech trim and 50 pens in gold trim. The foundation pen is piston filled and can be selected with the nibs ranging from fine to broad sizes. They have also reintroduced the specialized 14-card extra flexible nib, which is available in extra fine and fine. The extra flexible nib will be engraved with the extra flexible logo, and the standard nib will be a production of the original style with the triangular engraving. The barrel will be subtly branded with the 80th anniversary logo. The tribute to the Arte Italiana has been commissioned to honor the integrity and passion that has been Omas for over 85 years. The royal blue will be first in a series of 3 vintage celluloid Paragons introduced in 2011. The total production of 80 fountain pens announced at the end of March 2011 is to sell out in a very short time. The first Omas nib was designed and manufactured in 1918. The enormous technical ability of Armando Simoni, the founder of the company, ensured that it was immediately one of the most prestigious and sought after models. The incredible flexibility and easy adaptability to the hand obtained after a long series of minute and sophisticated machining operations characterizes this particular nib since its creating. Design, handcrafting and working with difficult materials constitute the values around which each Omas pen is developed. Omas pens, handcrafted in Bologna's workshop, have always been characterized by their timeless, elegant, essential design, devised and created by Omas entirely in Bologna workshop, bringing out the best of the typical characteristics of Italian creativity. Since 1925, handcrafted in Bologna workshop, an Omas fountain pen is the result of a multitude of delicate operations that contributes to the creation of a unique and unrepeatable product. It can take up to 365 days to produce the exceptional lightness, refined brilliance and surprisingly pleasant feel of a celluloid pen. Each Omas writing instrument is produced with natural materials as cotton resin, celluloid wood, titanium, gold and silver. These materials are very rare and difficult to work with, but they can guarantee unique and exclusive products and an amazing pleasure of writing. Omas pen is a genuine jewel of the highest level of craftsmanship, where creative and aesthetic abilities integrate naturally with the technical and functional innovation. Each writing instrument thus becomes a unique and unrepeatable work of art symbol of made in Italy style. Omas Milord fountain pens. The 12-faceted Milord, which along with the largest Paragon is part of the Omas Arte Italiana series, is a full-size pen which will fit comfortably in most hands. The black cotton resin and the maroon resin pens utilize a reliable cartridge converter system, while the bronze Arco and Weil Cerullite pens have a piston filler system with a generous 1.3 milliliter ink capacity. All features the trademark Omas attention to trim and detail. For many pen lovers, the Milord is the perfect combination of elegant design and superb writing qualities. Omas Paragon fountain pens, the 12-faceted Paragon, which along with the smaller Milord forms part of the Omas Arte Italiana series, is a more than fully sized pen which will fit comfortably in larger hands. Piston fillers with an abundant 1.7 milliliter ink capacity. These pens convey style, authority and sophistication. For many pen lovers, the Paragon provides the ultimate in writing pleasure. Omas 360 collection fountain pens. The triangular 360 collection pens are the most distinctive and innovative produced by Omas. Utilizing high quality resins, these pens feature 18-karat nibs and a reliable cartridge converter system. For those looking to combine Omas sophistication with forward-looking design, the 360 collection provides writing instruments of the highest quality. Omas Bologna collection fountain pens. The Bologna series features Omas style in an elegant cylindrical body design. Compared to the faceted Milord and Paragon pens, the resin pens feature a dependable cartridge converter system, while the Cerullite Bolognas are piston fillers with an impressive 1.7 milliliter ink capacity. All features gold or platinum trim, and the 14-karat Portico nibs are ideal for the Jones nib customizations, including the modification for added flex. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of Omas. We went through the company's history to the present scenario. Hope the information about the company was useful. Have a good day ahead.